this video I'm going to be working out an individual integral. It's going to be a straightforward u-substitution, which would typically be found in a Calc 1 class. Alright, so let's take a look at the integral of e to the negative x all over 1 plus e to the negative x dx. Alright, I'm going to be looking right here at this denominator. Alright, and I'm going to realize that I can let my u be 1 plus e to the negative x. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to let u be 1 plus e to the negative x. Alright, I'm going to take the derivative then of both sides, so I'll have a du is equal to, when I take the derivative of 1, it goes away. When I take the derivative of e to the negative x, that would be e to the u prime, so I'll have an e to the negative x, and then when I take the derivative of that negative x, I'll have a negative 1 in front, so negative e to the negative x dx, and then I'm going to go ahead and solve all the way down for dx, so I'll have a du over a negative e to the negative x for my dx. I'm going to come up to the original integral and I'm going to start making some substitutions. Okay, my e to the negative x in the numerator there is going to stay. I let this be my u, and so I will have a u here. I'm going to substitute dx for what I said it was equal to, so I'll have a du over a negative e to the negative x. Alright, now, as you can see, hopefully you're going to have a negative 1 that's going to get pulled out. This e to the negative x and this e to the negative x are going to cross out. Alright, so pulling that negative out in front, I'll have a negative, the integral of 1 over u du. Alright, at this point, if you're doing these type of integral problems, you probably have memorized or should have memorized the integral of 1 over u du is going to be natural log absolute value of u. That's just something that needs to be memorized. I will still have the negative out in front. Natural log absolute value of u plus c. Your last step then would be to replace your u with what you let it equal. So negative natural log absolute value 1 plus e to the negative x, and then plus c. Definitely a straightforward u-substitution integral. Very beginning Calc 1 students who are just starting their u-substitution for their integration, this is where you would see this at. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. Thanks.